Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to use Kajabi to launch your online course quickly and professionally. Let's get started. First, sign up for a Kajabi account and choose your plan that fits your needs. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center. Click Products and select Online Course to create your first course. Give it a title and description that grabs attention. Now, build your course structure. Add section and lesson using Kajabi's simple editor. You can upload videos, PDFs, quiz, or audio files directly. No tech skill required. Customize your course website using Kajabi's template. Drag and drop elements to match your brand and set up a custom domain if you have one. Create a pricing plan. Offer a one-time payment plan, or even a free trial. Kajabi handles secure payments and taxes automatically. Use the email marketing tools built into Kajabi to promote your courses. Set up automated sequence to nurture leads and convert them into students. When you're ready, hit launch and share your course link on the social media, your website, or via email. Pro tip: use Kajabi's analytics to track enrollments, student progress, and revenue all in one place. And that's it. You've just launched your online course with Kajabi. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what your course is about. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.